Last class we had discussion some internal hardware with a CU and a ALU, and discussion some memory unit, primary memory and secondary memory. Secondary memory also storage device. Storage device are known as a disk drive. Storage device name is known as disk drive. Disk drive means the device with can data store are known as a storage device or a disk drive. Then disk drive is a physical drive in the computer to capable of holding and retrieve the information. It can also capable of holding and retrieving the information. Then some names of a disk drive is, first is floppy disk drive, second is this a floppy disk drive, second is hard disk drive, same type is the CD drive or DVD drive. This four is the storage device or disk drive. Another also as the pen drive. Pen drive is also storage device or a disk drive. First we are discussion what is floppy disk drive. Floppy disk drive is a storage device. It is made with flexible plastic with magnetic material coated, but it is the first time used in data transfer from one computer to another computer. Then a computer disk drive that enable to user save data to removable diskette. This is the first real disk drive used where is the 5.25, either 5.14 floppy disk. Another is 3.5, either 3.1 half floppy. These are two type of floppy disk drive. Okay, used in the data transfer. The first is the 5.25 size is data storage capacity is 1.2 MB. Then another is 3.5, either 3.5 floppy drive is the data storage capacity is 1.44 MB. 1.44 MB data can store. These are two type of floppy disk. It's the first time used in the computer for data save and data transfer. First 1.44 MB can data store as the 3.5 size of floppy disk. Then is the 5.25 size is the floppy disk can store up to 1.2 MB only. 1.2 MB data store. This is the storage capacity of the floppy disk drive. The next is, second is hard disk drive. Hard disk is the main drive of the computer. It is also called main disk. Hard disk is the main disk of the computer. Then hard disk drive also called hard drives or disk drive. It is the mechanism that read and write data. It can read the data and write the data. Then hard disk is the main and usually largest data storage. It can largest data storage. Then different type of hard disks also available in the market as per the capacity. 500 GB hard disk. Then second is 1 TB hard disk. Then 2 TB hard disk. Then some oldest hard disks also available in the market. But mainly now is the use of 500 GB hard disk, then 1 TB hard disk and 2 TB hard disk. This is the data store in the permanently, and it can be used to store picture. Hard disk is mainly used for store picture, music, video, text document and any files created or downloaded. Okay, suppose if you save a file, it can store in the hard disk. If you can save a video, that is also stored in hard disk. Then you can save a document that also save in the hard disk. Then you can also, okay, it can also volatile memory hardware. Then this is the most widely used to storage device. It is the main storage device. Then it is storage varies from gigabyte or terabyte. Now I am informed the hard disk is the 500 GB market available. Then terabyte means TB, 1 TB, 2 TB. This is terabyte capacity. Gigabyte means GB, 500 GB gigabyte. Then is the 1 TB means terabyte, 2 TB means terabytes. This is the name of hard disk. This is mainly used. What is the function of hard disk? It is mainly used to data store permanently for picture, music, video and documents or files can also store. The next is, third is optical disc. Optical disc short form is ODD. Then optical drives also can read and write data. Okay, the names of optical disc is CD drive and DVD drive. This two is the optical disc, CD drive and DVD drive. An optical drive is also called by other name like a CD drive or DVD drive. Then CD drive where can use also data store, and DVD also can use for data store. Then CD can store with read and write and CDR. CDR means only readable drive. CDR and W means both read and writable. Rewritable. Only R means only recordable, either only readables, only one times use, but read and writable means more times can use. Rewritable means 2 to more times also can use, but R means only recordable means only one times data stored. Same type available in the markets in the CD, CDR and CDRW. CDR only recordable and CDRW means rewritable. Both are you can use for data store. But a CD can store the data up to 700 MB. A CD with you can store the data up to 700 MB of data, not as the more of data can store. Same type another device you can use DVD, digital video disc. CD for the compact disc, DVD for the digital video disc. Which type of function is a CD? Same type function of also DVD, but a CD with only less amount of data store, but a DVD with store the large amount of data. CD with only up to can store 700 MB of data, but DVD with can store as the 4.7 GB data. This is the only MB data per megabytes. Then it can store 4.7 GB of data. This is CD with a low storage capacity, then DVD with a large amount of capacity. Okay, then another type of CD also available is the market. Blu-ray discs can also hold as the 25 GB. This 25 of GB also data can store in the DVD. This is the DVD drive, either CD drive. This drive with you can use for read the information also the CD and DVD and write the data in the CD and DVD. This is the optical disc of CD and DVD drive. CD drive only store up to 700 MB, but DVD drive can store 4.0 GB, but Blu-ray disc can store up to 25 GB of data. Okay, now is the other part of the internal hardware is, next is motherboard. Motherboard is the main part of the CPU. This motherboard also inside of the CPU, so it is also called internal hardware. It contains some main important part. Here contains some important it contains some important part. First is a central processing unit. Central processing unit is main chips. Main chips of the computer are known as central processing unit. Then second is some input output control device. Here contains some input output devices, the keyboard, then with the mouse. This is a content of keyboard, this is a content of mouse. Same type read only memory. Here content is the read only memory, means RAM, ROM. This is a ROM, the primary memory. This is a content ROM, this is a content with the RAM. Here fixed with the RAM, here fixed with the ROM. Then same type is the USB port. Here also contain two USB port. USB port with the connector, some pen drive and other drive. Here can use with this USB port or DIV port. Then is the sound card. Here contain with the some sound card. There is the proper visible. This is a sound card. Here connect with the sound. This is a port. This is a keyboard mouse. This is a mouse connector. This is a printer connector. This is the next is monitor connector. This type of some input output device also contained in the motherboard. Okay, sound card, graphic card contains also this motherboard. Then motherboard is the main printed circuit board. It is the most the internal component and the slot connected to the other internal components. It can also together with all the components. Then a motherboard is a collection of chips and a control known as a chip list. This is a function of a motherboard. Next discussion, what is port? Port is the main connector of one device to another device. Without connector, without port cannot be connect from one device to another device. If connect with USB port, then we can use with a pen drive or other drive. Same type if sound port, then connect with a sounds. If use with a mouse port or keyboard port, then connect with a keyboard or mouse. Then if VGA port, then with a connect with the monitor. If use with the mouse port, then use of mouse. If connect with a printer port, then use with a printer. Then port is the main connector of one device to another device. Then connected disk drive or external, to which we connect the monitor, printer and other peripheral device. The port with you are connect with some different peripherals of the computer. Next is another internal device of the internal hardware is internal modem. Internal modem means the modem fixed inside of the CPU or in the motherboard are called internal modem. But what is this function of a modem? It allows to the computer to communicate over the network with other connected computers to the internet. If you send a message from one place to another place, then use internet. But if a modem is fixed, then easily can send the data from one to another. But there are two types of modems. One is the internal modem, dial-up is the Wi-Fi, and is the dial-up operate over the telephone lines is the required phone numbers and log on the traditional to the make of a connection. Wi-Fi where can use the internet, either where can use with the telephone connection. Either where can use with the wireless internal modem also connect with one to another. Next is SMPS. SMPS stands for switch mode power supply. Then it is also internal hardware. It is fixed inside the CPU, but its main function is to power supply all the device of the computer. Then it is used to provide the stable and efficient power supply to the computer. This main function is how to proper power supply to the computer. If SMPS is problem, then not function of the computer. Why? It not power connect to the other device, then the computer also not working. Then this is an electronic circuit that convert the power using the switching device that turn and on and turn off at the high frequency of little storage components. Then it can also mainly turn on and turn off the computer based. It is the main components also for power supplying of the computer. Okay. Next discussion, external hardware. External hardware, first is monitor. External hardware, first is monitor. Then monitor is also called video unit or visual unit or video unit. It can display the processing result on the screen. So it is called output device or is the video device. It converts the input data to displays the output data. Then monitor at the display device. It is also called display device external of the computer. Then any type of data can convert and display on the screen. Then basically three types of computer monitor we can use. One is CRT, cathode tube. Second is LCD, liquid crystal display. Third is LED, light emitting diode. These are three types of monitor. Next is same type keyboard. Keyboard also external hardware. Keyboard contains some buttons. These buttons are called key, but the buttons of the key is some contain with alphabet, numbers and special character. This keyboard is mainly used for to typing the text or numbers on the computer. Then different types of keyboard also available. For is the Chinese, then Arabic, also keyboard you can use. External hardware is mouse. Mouse is also external output external hardware. Mainly mouse are used for moving and selecting option. Then mouse is it is also called pointing device. Then it is also surface on the screen to move from one place to another. Then it can use with the select option and moving option pointer on the screen. This is the use of mouse. Then next is same type is the another hardware device is printer. Printer is also external hardware. Then it is connected to the computer. Then print to the result on the paper. Printer main function is print the result on the paper. It can print text and graphics output from the computer. Then printing it over on the paper. Then it is mainly used for generating of or makes of a hard copy of the data. Okay. Then different type of printers also available in the market as per the books. One is the dot matrix, second is inkjet, third is laser and thermal printer. This printer we can use for generating a hard copy. Next is scanner. Scanner also hardware components of external. Then scanner basically used for the convert the data from image. Okay, then scanner change the physical information to digital. A scanner change the physical information to digital, then it can create a image easily printing on the document. Then the scanner is classified as the 4 types. One is the flatbed scanner, second is the sheet fed scanner, third is the handheld scanner, then card scanner. These 4 type of scanner we can use to create of image. Then flatbed scanner can use to document and laid flat and can create of image. Then same type sheet fed scanner also can read and scan with the fixed. Then handheld scanner also can create with the image. Then card scanner can special design to scan business card. Next is webcam. Webcam is also a consist of a digital camera. It is a digital camera. Then this digital camera also attached to the computer. In the laptop connect this type of camera directly to create of image or recording of the image. Okay, the next is speaker. Speaker is also external hardware. It is connected to the computer for to create of sounds and convert into the sound that we can use. The next is pen drive. Pen drive also hardware, external hardware. It is mainly used for to backup, to taking the backup for giving files or use of files and store the data for later can use. Then it is also called USB device. It is also called USB device. Then it is mainly connected to the computer via USB port, which USB port in the motherboard connected to the CPU. That device with you can use the pen drive for save the data and the transfer information, store and transfer information. Then market available 2 GB to 1 TB of pen drive also available for the data store and data transfer where you can use. Okay, these are some examples of or some names of external hardware. Then this chapter is over. Then you can find out some full form, and this full form also you write in your notebook.